What's up, guys? Today we're going to test out this ColorTone marker from Stuart McDonald and see how well it works on scratches and dents, and we'll see how well it looks in light. Alright, so let me open this up. So, this is black lacquer. It says shake well. Relieve pressure by the press, blah blah blah. Okay. So, I'm going to see how well it works on this little scratch. Alright, as you can see, it's a white tip. So you just needed to press it until it turns all black. So let's... There you go. All black. As you can tell, it's a little uneven, but the color matches pretty good. So I'm going to let this dry and apply another coat and see how well it looks. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. It did a pretty good job, but it's not going to fill up that dent because it can't restore the wood, obviously. But it did a pretty good job on coloring it in. I just wiped my guitar with some naphtha, I guess that's how you pronounce that, and it still stayed on there.